Hi everybody, so today we're working with poems and trying to identify words and phrases in the poems that suggest feelings or appeal to one of our 5 senses, okay? So, let's talk about feelings. What are some different feelings we can think of? I thought of a few that I've listed here: happy, sad, scared, mad, and surprised. Sometimes there are words and phrases in poems that make us feel something, like we might read a story one day and feel sad, or a story might make us laugh. Pay attention to how you feel after reading a poem. Okay, so think back about the 5 senses you learned in kindergarten. We have sight, smell, taste, touch, and there's one more, but we're going to go over these first. So I see with my eyes, I smell with my nose, I taste with my tongue, and I touch with my hands. And so there's one more. Does anyone remember? It's hearing. I hear with my ears. So when we look at a poem, they incorporate some of these 5 senses sometimes, like things that we can feel like we see, or they talk about what they smell or touch. So we're going to read a poem together and think if we can find any feelings or any of the senses in this poem. And I'm going to read it for you guys and rewatch it and go back when you're trying to look for the senses and feelings that you feel or hear or see in the poem. So, what do you see, hear, feel, and smell when you are listening to me read this poem? A Little Red Apple by Marguerite Goat. A little red apple hung high in a tree. I looked up at it, and it looked down at me. "Come down, please," I called. And what do you suppose? That little red apple dropped right on my nose. That's a cute story, isn't it? Yes. So now, the flip book paper that you have on your desk, I want you to use it to draw a picture of or write little words about what you felt, how did the story make you feel, and what senses the author used. You can always go back and rewatch me reading this poem to you to figure that out. And thank you for watching. These are the resources I used, and that's it.